Welcome to the in front of me Doogee S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first hold for a while your device screen, and after that click here to the widgets section. Now we can see all the available widgets which we can add to our device home screen. For example, we can go with the clock. Just hold it and drag it, for example, here to this left upper corner. If you want to move this widget here on the screen, just by the same way, hold it and drag it. For example, here also we can move this widget between the screens, or we can create the new screen with the widget if you want. Also here we can add another widget, for example the calendar, the regular one, the schedule. Just by the same way, hold it and drag it here. For example, if you want it, we can change the size of this widget. We can make it bigger or smaller by this way. And if you want to just remove it, hold it and drag it here to this up section to remove icon by this way. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.